Learn the recipe in a restaurant. Peel the potatoes. Cut into slices. Pour in water. Boil for 10 minutes. Place in a baking dish. Finely chop the onion. Fry the onion with minced meat. Finely chop the bell pepper, crushed garlic. And a finely chopped tomato. Pour in tomato sauce and water, season to taste. Add finely chopped parsley. Place the meat on top of the potatoes, cover with cheese slices and tomato slices, sprinkle with oregano. Bake for 20 minutes.